Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. So if you remember, in the weekly research we have specified the upside targets, and in general have talked about recent rally that market is confirming the bullish stop that we have on the weekly chart and the monthly chart. So we have rather extended targets. So one of them stands at 30 and 18. Major target stands in 1450 area on the monthly chart, but they are really a bit extended. So in the nearest time frame on the daily chart, we have a closer target. It stands at 1367, and this is XOP target of this A, B, C bottom pattern. So or maybe even closer, 1368. So this target stands above the previous top. In general, confirms the idea of the bullish grabber that we have on the weekly chart on the gold market. It's will be the target. If market will complete it, it simultaneously will complete the grabber on the monthly, and its target really could be achieved because it actually stands not really too far from the current price action. Overall action stands very fast, so you can see just minor response to the COP target. It's been hit 1330. It's minor retracement. Here is no retracement at all. Mostly, I think that just was mostly reaction on daily overbought rather than reaching the OP, because reaction has started after market has hit the overbought area. Today, guys, overbought stands at 1360. So as we have the bullish context, it means that if any retracement will start, we could think about taking the long position on this retracement, trying to buy the dip on the intraday charts. Now the major question is how deep this retracement could be. So if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, here we have a bit steep ABCD pattern. And market right now has hit the OP destination point. I think that as market on the daily stands already between the OP and the XOP, hardly the deep retracement will happen here. It's very deep. That's why I think that we do not need the fib levels from the major reaction point. Here we will get the confidence support 1335, but I think that the fib levels from the C point reaction will be sufficient, because hardly market will show the deep retracement. It's more probable that retracement will be 1345 or even smaller. Still, we could keep an eye on the pattern that could be formed on the hourly chart, because I have drawn here the potential pattern that could be formed, but I'm not sure that it will be, because it will suggest still deeper retracement. But anyway, first retracement will be to the 1345 area. Despite whether market will continue move lower, will be form the hand shoulders here with the deep retracement or not, but the first, or maybe market will just hit the 1345 and will continue move higher. But the first level I think that we could keep an eye on, retracement could be reached, stands at 1345. This is the kind of neckline of this potential head and shoulders, or just support line, but also this 1345 is the fib level, fib support on the 4-hour time frame chart. After that, so reaction will start. We could keep an eye on depending on the development. So if market will turn to some compounded retracement, this will point on the next level 1336, that precisely will be confidence support that I'm talking about. But chances right now on the deep retracement, I don't think that's really very significant. It's more probable that market will show either 1345 or just even smaller retracement could be done. So I'm just leg down here and probably upward continuation. Well, that is what we see on the gold market right now. So market currently is the small target. It stands at OP. It's forming, by the way, the butterfly here, as you can see. It's minor butterfly is forming here. So market maybe could move slightly higher. As you can see, 1357 extension and 1359. So both of them could be reached. Today we have the overbought at 1360. That's why hardly market will exceed this level today. This will be probably the sale for today trading session. And then retracement probably will start. So here we could keep an eye on the dip. Currently I think that the 1345 will be deep retracement, but maybe even small retracement could be formed to some of the fib levels from this reaction point, from these lows to the potential top, and some kind of the ABCD maybe will be formed. Because market, as I said, right now stands between the targets, between the OP on the daily and XOP. In that circumstances, return back to the 1345, even to the former OP. It's a bit deep retracement. More chances stands in favor of the minor retracement and upward continuation here. But still, keep an eye on how retracement will start. If market will start to form ABCD, you could use it for approximate calculation of the potential target of this retracement in the manner how I drawn here. But here I have drawn this larger retracement. Here it could be just smaller. Maybe even minor, but here also, guys, the minor head and shoulders could be formed. For example, this could become left shoulder and head. In this case, we will get, if we suggest that market will hit 1360, and we will get in this case small, guys, ABCD patience will be approximately to this area. Yes, it will be somewhere, some fib support on this lower reaction point, maybe 618 support here. This market could not reach the 1344, as I said. So keep eyes open and just keep an eye on how market will start this retracement. Minor ABCD will show you the potential destination point of this retracement and where upward action could be reestablished.